Imagine a cybersecurity battlefield where AI faces off against hackers while a security operations center monitors red alerts. The central question is how AI is changing the balance between defenders and attackers. AI can detect threats by analyzing patterns across massive datasets. AI can perform log analysis to find anomalies humans might miss. AI can assist with malware analysis by speeding up classification and behavior profiling. AI can improve phishing detection by spotting subtle language and contextual cues. AI can help prioritize vulnerabilities based on exploitability and business impact. AI can automate routine security tasks and orchestrate responses across tools. AI can speed incident investigation by correlating alerts and surfacing likely root causes. All of this means AI can process enormous amounts of security data much faster than a human can. Attackers can also use AI to craft more convincing phishing campaigns and social engineering attacks. AI can accelerate reconnaissance and automate parts of attack planning. AI can assist attackers with malicious code suggestions and automate repetitive attack steps. AI is a tool that can increase capabilities on both sides and is not inherently good or bad. AI can still misinterpret context and produce false positives that waste analyst time. AI can miss unusual situations and generate incorrect recommendations for ambiguous incidents. In a SOC1 alert labeled low risk by AI can hide a sophisticated attack that a human investigator uncovers. Human experts bring context, business knowledge, risk judgment, and ethics to security decisions. AI can recommend an action, but someone still needs to decide whether that action is safe. Jobs in cybersecurity will evolve rather than simply disappear as AI changes workflows. Future security professionals will need AI literacy, automation skills, cloud and identity expertise, and strong judgment. The strongest defense combines AI detection and analysis with human validation, decision-making, and response. This combined approach can be more effective than either working alone. Quiz time. What is the strongest approach to AI-powered cybersecurity? Choose, combining AI automation with human oversight. AI probably will not eliminate cybersecurity, but it will change how the work is done. The bigger risk may be refusing to learn how AI is changing your job rather than AI taking your job. Cybersecurity professionals of the future will not compete against AI, they will know how to work with it. Subscribe to SecureAI Simplified for more practical videos on AI and security.